Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Masimayas, and on today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to install this cute wig that I got from a shop here in Kenya, and I'm also gonna show you guys the products that I use to install it. See, yeah. So if you want to see that, watch the video to the end. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel and video. Thank you. So without talking too much, let's get into the video. Yeah, and it looks so good, guys. So if you want me to plug you, send me a DM on Instagram at Masimayas, and I'll be happy to do that. So subscribe.
So guys, I had done like some matutas the previous day, and I think this is what I'm just gonna go with under the wig. And actually this is the wig, how it looks like. I just washed it, and yeah, it comes like that. The lace is not as big as I thought, but we'll work it out. And it's a blonde wig, guys, you can see. Yeah, I love it. So I guess I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So the glue that I'm going to use is this got2b spray glue, and this is what that I'll be using on my front part of the lace. To take the lace, I'm gonna use this concealer, which is in the shade of dark cocoa, and that's what I'm going to use.
So guys, lately on TikTok I've been seeing people reviewing this series, that TV drama series that is currently trending, the Young, Famous and African. I watched season 1 and season 2, but I haven't watched season 3, and the way people are hyping it up, I think I have to work on it. This love drama, who doesn't love drama? So yeah, I think when I'm free, that's what I'm going to watch, because the shots of drama that I'm seeing on TikTok, it's just insane. It's insane. And I can't wait to watch it. So this is how the list looks like after doing whatever. So I'm gonna spray the spray again. It just dropped on my nose. So I think I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit, then apply. I don't know if I should apply another layer of the spray.
So I decided to go with the got2b glue at the middle and the sides of the hairline, just to get the wig secured. Yeah.
I was saying I was talking about the series, drama thing, everything. On my point of view, from season 1 and season 2 that I've watched, I just think that Annie likes playing the victim, and I can't wait to see how she plays in season 3. So yeah, that's my point of view. Annie, the victim player. But anyway, let's apply this baby.
So I'm gonna remove the hairband and see if everything is held into place, or I'm gonna have to go in the got to be glue, just so as to make sure that everything is held into place and nothing is lifting. So yeah, and if you're trying this and your wig lifts up or it's not held properly, don't worry, you just have to go in the got to be spring glue and again held the hairline with the hairband, and after that everything will be fine.
I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah.
Sweet. And see if in the middle I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Yeah, let's do my eyebrows.
The pedal to the pavement, I was dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah. Try again.
So guys, the eyeshadow blend wasn't giving and I decided to shift to the concealer, my shade which is dark cocoa, and yeah, that I know that will work.
This time I can call you mine. We can hit rewind and treat each other right.
So tell me, did I try or not? Because you see, I tried my best to hide the lace, and yeah. Let's do my makeup thing. Let me draw my eyebrows, then come back to the hair.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
So guys, after all that hassle and sweat, this is the final outcome of all that process, and I'm in love. I'm so in love with this. Like, see the lace? Well, it's not perfect, but you know, it's better off. You see? Yeah, and do you see that girl? Do you see that girl? I'm so pretty, guys. I'm pretty. You know, I'm enough. I'm worth it. I'm everything. Yeah. And please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because your girl, you know, the girl is doing her best, guys. Subscribe, share the channel, and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below of what video you want me to do next. So yeah, see you in the next vlog or video. Bye, and love you guys, and please subscribe.